Lucky's hanging out with me today, making sure I'm not alone in the shop. That's nice. Put him down. He's a pretty cool cat. He just chills a lot. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got some kind of big news coming out today. You guys are gonna have to wait for Bo to get here. But today's video is mostly an unboxing video. We might do some work. I don't know yet. I haven't decided if I want to or not. We got some packages. BBanny Customs sending us the good stuff. We got some other stuff in here. Yeah, it's getting serious here in the local loser garage. The loser's lounge, as we call it. We got to go ahead and tear this motor down. We're not going to do that today. Probably knock that out this weekend. That's what I'm hoping. Saturday evening, we'll come and get her taken apart. Levi's over here shooting me, making all the noise. So Bo showed up with the stickers that he made. Finally.
Stickers right there. Boom.
So we have, what's that? Five stickers right now?
We have 3 new stickers, and we have 2 of the older stickers. Okay? These are new prints, but they're older styles, older designs, but we're still selling them. And we're selling these new ones right here.
Yep. So $5, $5, $5, $5, $2 or $3?
$2.
Because he said both. $2 and $3.
I say 2-ish, $3.
So $2.
Yes.
But if you want to donate an extra $1, $3.
Anyways, we design, print, and cut our own stickers with a layer of UV protectant over it.
Bo does that.
Well, we both get in on the designing. I have the skills to do all this, to do all the printing and cutting.
Yeah.
So support local losers.
Support your local losers.
Be a loser with us.
Anyways,
we're lonely being losers by ourselves.
Those are the stickers. More to come. We plan on getting some more equipment and hopefully making more and better stickers.
Right on.
All right, to the past. So now that we're back from the future, because that was all the future, just get ready to get some of those stickers. I'm going to drop our email and our Instagram down below so you guys can go there to contact us, you know, if you want to order some. I'm also going to have a link in the description for all the parts that I show you today, plus our fabricator Paul. I'm going to put his Instagram down there. So the BBanny Customs kit will have his email and his Instagram, and the other stuff will have his Instagram. I'll try and get his email before this video goes up, so hopefully that'll be down there too, but for sure his Instagram. Basically, if you guys aren't on Instagram, you guys are lagging, you need to get on Instagram. Let's get started unboxing. We're not going to start on that. We're going to start over here. So, I don't know if you guys know, but there's an LS in the garage. It's not mine anymore. I traded it for these rods. So I got these CX Racing H-beam rods. They rate them for 600. They should be pretty good, I hope. If not, we'll find out. So we got those. They came with some rod bolts. We may use those, we may not. Then from JD Tuning, we have these rings, chromoly rings, and then we have these pistons right here with their floating pin. So I think I paid $300 for these, the rings, and a set of springs. The springs aren't here yet. They got to come through customs. They're having a little bit of trouble getting through customs. But we have inner valve springs coming, then we have the rings, and we got the pistons. This is all for dual cam. These are dual cam rings and dual cam pistons. You can see the dual relief there. Maybe right there. But by doing that, what it does is end up lowering your compression in your single cam. So those are 11.5 to 1, and they'll effectively be about 9.5 to 1 in the single cam. So we're excited about that. The only thing that I have left to order is the bearings, and I found a set on Rock Auto that are like pseudo race bearings. They're a little bit softer than a regular aluminum bearing. So we're going to order a set of those, and then we'll basically be ready to do the bottom end on this. So that's exciting. I still got to get the timing set, the head studs, the main studs, the oil pump, new water pump, new thermostat, and a head gasket. But that's not that big of a deal. So as soon as we get the bottom end stuff, we're gonna send that off and get it all ready to go. And then we'll bring it back, we'll put the bottom end together. And hopefully by that time we'll be able to start putting the other stuff on it. Oh my gosh, Levi.
I don't know what that is. Over there.
It's not over there. It's right there.
No,
Right there.
up there. Wait a minute.
Levi crying all the time.
Hey.
Anyways, so now let's get on to this Vivani kit. So Carissa and Levi left. Let's go ahead and get started. I ordered this stuff quite a while ago. I'm not sure if Vivani ships stuff in like groups. I would assume that's what he does. Because of that, if that's what he does, it takes a little longer to get stuff. So if you order from him, just be prepared for it to take a little bit. But I think it's well worth it. Let's find out what we got here. So, I think this is our lower mount. Goes on the bottom. Shot goes here, is my guess. I'm not real sure. We got to figure it out. But I think that's how it goes. Around the axle, on the bottom. Here's another one. Same thing. And here is the side plates. So these get welded onto the frame like that. And then this arm goes to the top arm. Here's the other one. So that's everything in this box. Let's open the long box. This should be the links and hopefully the other mounts. So I wouldn't think that it would just be a couple mounts. I would expect it to be quite a few. I really take this one. Let me tell you. This packaging, no joke. Hope you guys can still see what's going on. Whew, this comes with quite a bit of stuff. I wasn't expecting quite all this. He actually sends you your upper shock mount as well, and that's pretty cool. Like I said, I wasn't expecting that. This is nice. I really like that he puts these grease zerks on everything. That makes this really ideal for me. I'm probably not going to grease them, but I like the fact that I can to extend the life. So these are your lower bars. And from what I understand, you can put your lower bar into your original mount for your leaf spring, is how that's designed to work. I said, I was not expecting this piece right here. I thought I was going to have to make this. So that's pretty cool. This is your shock mount for the top portion of the shock. It goes like this. I assume this is to go around the differential as it comes up. So that's cool. And then, last but not least, we have our top arms here. And our top arms come with their weld-on mounts on them. So, I was curious how all this is going to come together. So there they are. These right here will weld onto your differential like this on top, most likely like that, at an angle. So it'll go something like that, and they'll bolt to this piece. So this will go on the frame rail, and then it'll go like that to your axle. And then this will go on the bottom of your axle, and your I'm not sure what this piece is for. Oh, I guess it's just a spacer to go there? Yeah, that's what it is. So it's just a spacer to go here. Your bottom piece will be like this, and then your shock will go on there. So since our shocks are a little longer, let me grab one second. So since our shocks are a little wider here, that's nice about this spacer, because if I don't fit, let's see if it does. It looks like it will. Oh no. So it doesn't quite fit. So we can go ahead and take this spacer and we can cut that down and get that to fit on there. Or we could go get a longer bolt. You know, these are just grade 8 bolts. Nothing special. These ones are stuck in here pretty good. And then this one, same thing. Not quite gonna work. We're gonna have to do a little bit of modification. But this is really neat. Like I said, I was not expecting to get this. I was just talking to Bo today on how we're gonna build this piece. So getting this, that's a huge relief. I just didn't expect this much to come in this kit. So I'm pretty happy. So now we got it all unboxed, and we see everything that we got. We have a better plan of attack on what's going on. My plan is to get the bed off, get the fuel tank moved in the next video. One of the next videos. I don't want to say the next video because I really want to tear that apart. So I want to get the bed off, get the tank moved, or at least out of the way, and then start mocking this up where it goes and kind of welding it in, just tacking it in with our welder. And then once again, we'll have to get Paul to come over and get a little serious. Maybe he can just get it done enough so that we can put it on the trailer and take it to him and have him finish it. Or he can just finish it here. It's kind of up to him, whatever he wants to do. He's the boss man when it comes to welding. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We got our coilovers for the back. We got our kit. This is a triangulated 4-link. So I'm going to lay it out on the ground kind of how it's going to go. And you guys can see from there. Lucky's hanging out with me today. Making sure I'm not alone in the shop. That's nice. Put him down. He's a pretty cool cat. He just chills a lot. Anyways, I got the kit laid out here, and I'll kind of explain how it's going to go and everything. So this is basically what it's going to look like on your truck. This bar right here is going to be like this. It's going to be like that, welded into the frame rail. The bottom of the shock will go here on each side. This is your lower bar, so this will weld onto the bottom of the axle. and then this will bolt into your factory coilover or a leaf spring mount. If you've been re-drilled, he told me that this will work. That's why it's adjustable here, so that you can make it work with your truck, and then also you'll be able to align your axle and get it nice and square. Mine, I don't know if I re-drilled it right. I used the template off of Naziok, or not Naziok, that's for Subarus, infamous Nissan, but I think I did it backwards somehow. Anyways, regardless, we may have to make a mount to go up here to hold this, or we may not. We'll have to find out. We'll see when the time comes. So there's that. Then this is your upper bar, and it's going to weld to your frame here, and then this will weld on top of your axle. I would assume the same place that this welds here. Excuse me, Lucky. This is where it's going to weld. It's going to weld on the tube, my guess, and you can just kind of pivot these right here so that they fit where they need to go. I'm not real sure. We're going to have to figure that out. It seems kind of strange to me that they're the same, but I also don't have it on the truck. So once we get it on the truck, we'll be able to see better how it's all going to fit together. He obviously makes this for the truck, so it should be fairly simple. The front kit took a little modification, so the rear kit may take a little modification, but I don't expect it to be a whole lot. But yeah, right now, this totally worth what we paid for it. I think we paid 500 bucks. I think his going rate's like 650. We talked him into giving us a little bit of a discount because we bought this and the front kit at the same time, and told him that we'd be putting him on YouTube. So we got a little bit of help. I think he gave us like 100 bucks off, but regardless, it's 100 bucks. But that's it. I'm so excited to get this on the truck. I can't wait. The fact that we have the rear coilovers is really awesome. So that means it's pretty easy. Unlike the front where we're kind of like wasting time trying to find coilovers. It's not really trying to find. I'm just buying a lot of stuff right now, and I don't have the money for the coilovers because I'm trying to do that and the ECU down there, and maybe buy a new car, and not a new car, but a new to me car, and so on and so forth. And speaking of a new to me car, if you guys know anybody who wants to buy the 240, let me know. I'm looking for $2,500 cash. You can come get the 240. Runs good. I'm fixing the gas tank that leaks here pretty quick. We'll have a video on that. And I just ordered a brake master because the reservoir was messed up. So we'll get all that done. 240 will be ready to rock and roll again. Hopefully get this on the truck here pretty quick. We're going to tear down the motor this weekend. And then next week, we're going to be cracking on that. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Check out the stickers. Hit us up on Instagram. If you guys have any questions, ask. We'll do our best. We're not experts. We're kind of just trying to figure it out. So anyways, see you guys next time.